What's up? My name is Ken Dumbo, the MC with the sauce. Don't forget to subscribe to J. Cool.
Wamutukuru Sale Wankonyo. You know what that means? If you're a leader, you will be hit left, right, and center because the buck stops with you. So I get surprised when President HH refuses to take the blame, and the UPND, they keep saying, no, it was PF, it was PF. No, you're a leader of the day. Take the blame. Now, to answer on the floods, I've said this time and again, and this is a Christian radio station, and I want to place it on record. When I was mayor, I used to say this, and no one listened. To resolve the problem of Lusaka City, it's not the mayor that can do it, it's not the council. The money that's needed is too much, and the council has no such money. Not even in 20 years can they generate that money. What is needed is like $100 million to resolve. And here is a summary why. You cannot resolve it just by dealing with Kanyama constituency or dealing with Matero. It has to be the entire Lusaka. Here is what the problem is. It's geographical. Lusaka is like a table that is slanted, okay? Kumwamba and down, a slanting table. Lift one table from the beginning, you'll see to slant down. Upper hills, so there's upper hills, Libala, Lilai, Chalala is the upper part and the central district. Then Matero and Kanyama is the lower part. That's why Matero is called Matero. In Ilenje, Matero means down. Kumatero, down, kuja. So when it rains, all the water system flows down there, even under. And also with time, as everybody has said, starting with the UNIP, mostly the UPND, and partly with PF also. And if you want to blame that on me, blame me. The people built in drainages or in marshlands where water was supposed to be absorbed. So what happens now, before when it rains during KK time, some water will be trapped. That's why it was called marshland around Unza there. And elsewhere, there are places that were just left there as dumbbells. Even here where we are here, by the way, unfortunately, this is the Christian Voice by ZNBC on the left, and on the right. We should not have built, plots should not have been given. Remember, it was just built, it means it's concrete. So when it rains, it's coming that side, just flows, and that's why you end up at this flyover bridge. There's so much water, and in CBD, and all that water, when said and done, it ends up in Kaunda Square, it ends up in Matero and Kanyama. So to resolve that, we need to put a Bombay drainage. You know the Bombay drainage, the one that starts from Kamara, passes through Evelyn on and goes down North Mid to Mandevu to Ngwerere. It's huge, and the Americans did fund that. It was a grant in 2012, and the PF government decided the money should be used in the drainage, and that money was spent. So it was that kind of money. Okay. Now to resolve, here's the point. We need to do 2 more drainages like the Bombay. One could down to start from Chilanga, Kumundawanga, down through Bonaventure, all the way now through Garden, through Kanyama, through Matero to Ngwerere, to take the water and absorb it. And then we need another one to start Kuchilenje down there, coming through, passing through here where we are, through Arcades, through Unza, through Munali, through Kaunda Square to Ngwerere. Then it will be trapping the water. The one that's there has become, it's too small. When we do that, so if Americans spend $50, so we need $100 million. Americans spend $50 million. And too bad, there's Donald Trump now, USAID is no more, so we cannot look for aid. So we need to find $100 million. The government needs to find that. Yeah. They have the money. The money is there. They can find the money from the mines. They should go and collect tax. That Kajamu, they removed duty from 15% to 0, so that you can export the emeralds God put in dollar for Zambians for free. They don't want to pay anything. This government, the finance minister said yes. So Kajam is exporting emeralds in dollar for free, and Zambia emerald is the most sought after in the whole world. People are exporting copper. They are not paying this government. People are exporting gold. They are not paying this government. Minister Musokotwane, all he does, budget after budget, is give these minor owners, the foreigners, give them tax concession. Instead of increasing tax, he removes this or gives this benefit, and less and less money goes in the treasury. No wonder since 2021, the finance minister has been the most broke that I've ever seen. When you are broke, you run out of money. His budget runs out half in the year. In June, October, he has no money. He has to come back to parliament for a supplementary, upon a supplementary. It's like we gave him the money spent from January to October to December, we approved. It runs out. Even this one for this year, 2025, and we kept telling him, get the money from the mines. He ignored us. They called us names. They relied on the money from donors, from USAID for our health sector. Now Trump has cancelled all those pledges. No more money coming from that side. So this budget will possibly, finance minister will go bankrupt, will run out of money even before June, because there's no revenue for him unless he increases tax on the mines.
On the number 0956-200-490, 0956-200-490, that's the number that you can give us a call on. Very quickly, 30 seconds, straight to the point, so that we allow as many callers as we can. 0956-200-490. And also just to remind you that the greater people of Lusaka haven't forgotten that you promised them Wi-Fi.
Don't go there. It's
and
overtaken by events. The UPND through Honorable Felix Mutati, they delivered, and I thank them. The government is a continuation.
Okay. Good morning, you're through to the program.
Hello, good morning. Is that Radio Christian Voice?
Yes, your name and where you're calling us from?
My name is Steven. I'm calling from Undora.
Very quickly, 30 seconds, Steven.
Good morning, Honorable Sampa.
Good morning, Bwana Steven Kundola. How are you, sir?
I'm very fine, thank you. Me, I'm not a politician, but I'm worried the way you politicians are taking up things. Because right up now you are saying you are the president of PF. Others are saying they are presidents of PF. Others are saying they are, I don't know, they are fathers of whatever, tons and so on. But then that is not healthy enough. And second is that you claiming to be the president of PF, we are not seeing you on the ground. Throughout the country, not to grant a Chawama, Matero, I am known because I was a mayor for Lusaka, this and that. We want to know on you. Here in Kafrafuta, we don't know who is Lusaka. That's why we are saying PF is dead, because right up now the other faction of PF is saying they are going with the NC, what is this? The one which won in Ikatet, that is the one which is a flag carrier for the Johnson. It's no longer PF. So what is your comment?
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Steve, calling us from the Copper Belt. Let's get to another caller. Good morning, yes, to the program. Hello, good morning. Okay, we lost that caller. You can call us back on the number 0956-200-490. That's the number that you can use for your contribution and your questions. Okay, let's please squeeze in this one. Good morning, you're through to the program. Hello, good morning. Yes, your name and where you're calling us from? Your name again? Wom Sanjay?
From where?
I think we'll have to let you go because your line is quite bad. We cannot get you clearly, but call us back. Good morning, you are through to the program. Hello, good morning. Call us back on the number 0956-2004. Before you answer that one, Honorable, let me just squeeze in this one. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, your name and where you're calling us from?
This is Chanda. I'm calling from Undora.
Very quickly, 30 seconds.
Good morning, President Sampa.
Good morning, Wachanda. How's Ndola?
Undora is just okay, it's cool.
Thank you.
My question is, we have HGA. You are bakathinda bayibhikona obathwangula ningabana nabapenda ngelinda so into nani clarify apha nosho kunokuthi ba imphiwe ba vice president ke onokathile mwayo ngomo alliance namtoma kwa alliance napathini yonke.
All right, thank you. All right, all right, thank you so much.
Can I answer him?
We've already got another caller.
Okay.
Good morning, your name and where you calling us from? Okay, your name and where, okay, go ahead with the contribution by Shimalan from the Copper Belt. Shimalan.
Bwino mulishani wa Shimalani Copper Belt. Kuisa Copper Belt. Kuchitwe. Okay. Okay, pusheni bane.
Batamfaita kwa ya kumulingire mwalombo bwelelo. Abaye ngo gwapya bonte mupiye kulimwe obeni. Kandi bakola kwa PNG. Amali akyale ukita timwe mwali akugenda namwe. Kwa batungana kwitano kitapiye. So amakonfusion ni wenda itamupiye kulimwe nena ngireleni. Era nga mama nabantu abena Zambia. Kandi temwe kwanza pye sana ati urugwiro sana. Ili seksi aliko peino no pya makanja pye. Nabanyuzo ni baita. Watu beporu fiye kwa botela. Bati mwe na bakampa mwe balinda mata yotaya timo bene pili grombe bwelelo muna Zambia yenga merina. Katunga mwamo na utushuru mu Zambia buletero butekobu. Abantu befa kunzala abantu abengi. Ero abantu abengi bali kupata bakampa kati mwanjiba kumwajja. Mwanjenga mata yote mpiye abamu. Pye kwa watu kwa tenti ya boga kubuno kwino. Abena Zambia bali kimo kipani lero be mwe na bakampa. Please.
Ni mwe ba spokesman wa Mazambia ni bonsa.
Okay, let's pick up the last caller. Good morning, you are through to the program.
Morning, wakalamba mabombele kwa.
Wino mashuken by.
Au sampa wishani mu.
Bwino ni mwe tuma mkwaye.
Chama ala ni kuzinga lwe matero constituency.
Chama ala ni.
Yes. My dear brother, inena alikutemwa sana.
Na inena alikutemwa.
Waishimira karibu meya, I was there for you. And like you are sure that you are under. Why you are now reach Panita Patriotic Front. And the Patriotic Front, yeah, Vamumaya and then I'm going to Mayavina Zambia. It is a funny to Ibukisha Michael Chipsata. Navarando Kueva Timpianango, Apiana Nama Valapantu, it's a Pancha TF. Chere Minina Valanda. Romono Bunga 400 kwacha. Romona Amafuta 38 kwacha. Romona Amalaiti Mucharo Tamuri. Amana Besu, whatever time Chamachito Mulandu, one production. Already Pamalati, Abamuneswi. Valeri Sala. Ushema companies to a queen. Omu tungu chubuli popali robo apali upinzi. Wabakankala naba wina. Nchwele mwena vena Zambia lero baleri omukumo. Mwe kwata komsera mawo sampa. Awe nginga baimini na kubala ndanga nene uyuba la pusha. Mwata ntokale kwa wasi. Cha matale kwa nisho bunga kwa 400. Church pancha PF ite proper. Tate. Matidi panika kuitemwa. Twani ufati walipoka 120. Mwapengele 1 million kwa sute disipalai.
Nakutana nali mitana nokumitana yo 1 million. Nali mitana.
Ufanda kwa pera ndaba mauzi. Na mwana ule chipanya vena Zambia wajedila. Lombe mwana wakala mbali mwe. Mwe kwa toru sebetu kukwata fe amafuma akalamba na matumba akalamba.
Okay. Okay, let's
You allow me to answer. There will be too many now.
Okay, this is the last one. This is
Okay.
the last one.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, good morning. You are through to the program. Yes, your name and where you calling from. Your last caller, very quickly, 30 seconds.
Thank you. This is Mishek calling you from the African Executive.
Go ahead with the contribution, Mishik.
Thank you. Ichinga chakavati mufire mwalombo bwerere kubena Zambia. Abena Zambia balechukula bamulandu mwalitako contribute kubena Zambia. Abena Zambia bushiku bwarere anabakwata chipano cha PF pamulandu wakwati mana vechikokutira natukwata alternative ivi ndo nakakwata alternative yai tomsalani lelo vavakwete alternative ikulu imba pamulandu mwaisa mwatita epelaizi PF mwarete chimfurunganya mu-PF avena zambia echiremne ava UPND mumwene vakosero kutira awe grade kana kabiri pamulandu wakati valishiwo kutira valichasa pomtime wafurunganya PF nomba efe chava lesa muchuma akuletera tonsa alliance otherwise vamausampa mulombo bwerero kuvena zambia tira nalirufyanya muterere
Okay.
otusamierera
All right. Thank you so much, Mishek. We'll have to let you go. Really appreciate. Great to know that Ndola is tuned in. All right. Honorable, let's quickly get to those concerns that we do have from.
Yeah, thank you, Angel. I think what I'm getting here, first of all, it's coming out from Mishek, it came out from Obachama, Alan, and others, and Bashimalan and Stephen, and Musanje didn't come through. What's coming out there, people are very annoyed, okay? And I don't blame them. They are annoyed with the status quo. Alan put it clear. They are annoyed, there are no jobs. The people are suffering out there. Of course, they look to PF. They've been looking to PF to redeem them again. The same way PF redeemed them in 2011 when people were upset with the UPND government. That is with the MMD government. That is very clear. I experience what is on the ground on a daily basis. I interact with people at the lowest level. So I get to know what's going on. So like I said earlier on, when you're a leader, you have a big head. You take every blame. So at the moment, if I must take every blame that the price of millimil has gone up, I'll take. If I must take every blame, there is no fuel prices is high, ZESCO, there is no power, I'll take. If I must take a blame, people are not getting jobs, they have no money, the cost of living, I'll take. That's what is coming out of there.
But
of course,
actually, not that they're actually saying.
I got it. I'm going there. I'm going there.
That you should.
I'm going there. I'm going there.
Mm-hmm.
So they think they were lied to. They, of course, people are saying obnoxious things because politics has a lot of propaganda. Oh, you are given this money by who? UPND give me money. They fail to give each other. They should give me, and who should give me? Nobody gave me. I'm not in politics for money. Otherwise, if I was up to money, I would have been going to the SEC. I probably would have been cited for corruption. But I had all position, including working at the Ministry of Finance, Deputy Minister, Mayor. You'll never find anywhere where I acted like I want money of my own from the government or doing contracts. So no, I'm not into politics for money. The same money I made when I was a banker and I joined politics in 2011 as MP is probably the same assets and money that I still have. I've neither gained anything, if anything, possibly just what I have, enough for myself and my family. So there's no money involved. Whatever I do is for the good of the people. So there's a situation here. People want PF, but obviously the President HH, I cite him because he was there when one was endorsing him, and he consented. He thinks to win, he has to kill PF. And as Petauka has shown, even if he does abuses the law in the process committing an offense himself or others, if the people are determined, let's assume it's beyond anybody, President HH manages to kill PF, like happened in Petauka, people will still governize around one grouping and vote them out. Mm-hmm. So no, the issues are explained about the PF. And also, Washimalama and Mishek, be assured that there are talks and we are talking within PF, and it's your concern is my concern. PF has to unite internally and outside so that it can participate. Somebody even asked, are we in an alliance? No, PF, we are not in an alliance. If we have to be in an alliance, the same people will decide. And like I said, it's for the people who are PF members to hint if they want an alliance at the time we're going to election. The people's voice who are PF members, people like Bashimaraman, people like Mishek, and that will be done at an appropriate time if it has to be done. But be assured, Miles Sampa is doing all he can to get the PF back to the people that own it. The PF, if you, like I said earlier on, if it's not Miles Sampa at that time, they want somebody else. They want you, Angel. I'll be more than happy to facilitate that. Or if they want a vice president, Bakufuna, I'll be more than happy. Somebody was asking who's the vice president. Bakufuna was MP in Mufurila, Andasata, and Andasata also deputy minister of local government and provincial minister. He's the vice president. Secretary General had appointed Ngona. I did fire him, and he went to court. So that matter is in court, and we are waiting for court to make decisions. So I cannot appoint any other until the matter is concluded in court. The Deputy Secretary General is Hazel Kapeta.
So in short, you're telling us that Honorable Raphael Nakachinda is masquerading as party's Secretary General?
That's you saying, I didn't say.
I'm asking.
That's you saying. I remember I told you
he recognizes himself as party SG.
He has the right to, but remember I told you I didn't come here to attack my colleagues because that's counterproductive.
But you're saying that you don't have a party SG.
I'm talking for myself, but 10 other or 50 can claim to be SGs, or 10 others can claim to be deputy SG, or 10 others can claim to be PF president. I'm telling you as they are and according to the law of Zambia. Kandora was saying PF is dead. That's what we have 1.5 years, and I'm doing everything I can to unite the party, to get the party to be full-fledged. And trust me, I will do all I can, and I never disappoint the people. My primary objective is to do what the people want.
Honorable, we'll have to leave it there because we've certainly run out of time. Thank you so much for coming through to today's edition of Chat Fast, and we can only wish you all the best.
Thank you. I just want to show you my. Have you seen my T-shirt there? That's my new regalia of Guy Scott. He died for. He as in actually died working hard for the PF. You know, you die hard for the PF. He's well, and I just want to today take a moment to say without this man, PF would not have formed government, Guy Scott. Without Michael Sata, PF would have not formed government. Without GBM, PF would have not formed government. Without Edgar Lungu, PF would have not formed government. So those people are recognized, and in my discourse, because of them, I'll do all I can to unite the PF so that it's on the ballot.
Thank you so much. Up next, we do have the news. Just after that, we'll get into Monday's edition of Blossom. Then Chupo comes on with today's edition of Lifestyle Chat.
Thanks for tuning in to JQ News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on tech, politics, and everything in between. Until next time, stay cool.